Jay!
Kiefer.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. I'm here. Don't cry, don't cry. Please don't cry, I'm here. Don't cry. It's okay. I'm here. Don't cry. It's okay. Is this your blood? Nasaktan ka ba?
Hindi. Akala ko mauulit yung nangyari kay Ram. Takot ako.
It's okay. Everything's okay. Everything's okay, huh? Stop crying. Huh? Stop crying.
Nakakita ako ng dugo. Pero hindi ako nawala ng malay at nanakit ng iba.
And we'll figure out why. For now, let's get you cleaned up.
Alam kong hindi pwede dahil fiancé ko na si Yuri. Pero bakit ganito? Bakit pag kay Kiefer? Sigurado ako sa nararamdaman ko. Erika, anong gagawin mo?
You need rest. Shut up and let me.
Ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa